These are 300 milligrams of gunpowder, and if you ignite them, this happens. Yay! But why? If I ignite gunpowder, it just does this quick flash, but in firecrackers, it does this instead. When you expose gunpowder to a flame, it decomposes with this reaction. Potassium nitrate reacts with sulfur and carbon, releasing potassium sulfide, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, producing even a flash. In firecrackers, basically the same thing happens, with the only difference that the gunpowder is compressed. So, when it tries to deflagrate, it doesn't have the space to, so it detonates instead.